So, you want to know how the banking system works. First of all, gotta go to a bank, press P, look for this icon on the map. There's multiple banks dotted around the map. You can also see these ones here for Fleeca, a gold symbol as well. So head to any bank, any main bank branch, and go ahead and head inside. Once inside, you want to speak to a bank teller. So this specific bank has multiple bank tellers. Speak to any of them. Use your third eye system on left alt, left click, and open bank. When you first see this, you'll see your main account balance, your deposit, withdraw, and transfer options, all your latest transactions, and a few options on the side and the right, which we'll go through shortly. On the top right hand of our screen, we can see how much cash we've got in our wallet currently. And down here, we can customize and order new cards and see the card information, etc. all in here, as well as see our account number. So if somebody else wants to send you money, you can send them this number here and they can send you money like that. Okay, so to order a card, we want to go over here, press the little plus icon, and you want to give it a PIN. So I'm going to give it a PIN, 4-digit PIN, and then choose the card type. You got default, gold, or express. Each one has higher withdrawal limits. So we just want to go with default right now and press confirm. If I quickly close out this menu, you'll see that if I open my inventory, I've been given a bank card. Be careful, because if somebody knows your PIN and they rob you, they can take this bank card and put it into an ATM and empty out your bank account. So make sure to keep this safe. Let's go ahead and move it into our wallet, which is a safe slot within our inventory. Okay, back to the bank. I'm going to open the bank again. And you will now see our full card number and expiry date. Click the little settings icon here. So if somebody's robbed your card, you can come in here and change it to blocked. For now, we're going to leave that as active and just close the window. You can edit it to change the PIN. So here, we can go ahead and change the PIN here and confirm. Nice and easy. Don't need a new bank card or anything like that. It's all on the system here. If you want to delete a bank card, you can come in here, type in the last 4 numbers, and go ahead and press confirm. There you go, card is deleted. Escaping out of that again, you will see I still have a bank card here, but if I go to use this in an ATM, it just won't work. So let's go ahead and drop this on the ground so we don't get confused later. Alright, let's quickly go ahead and order a new card. Alright, so we've got our latest card. Okay, so now we're here. Go through some of the side transactions here. So we've got transactions, give you a nice preview of all the transactions that have gone through your account, how much money you've received, how much money you've sent, and how much you've earned. You can go up here and change it from your personal to your savings, society, or a shared account, which we'll be going through shortly. And go to accounts. We've got no accounts available. It prompts us to create a shared account. I'm going to create a shared account. And press create account. Now if we click accounts again, we will see this is a test. And we can go ahead and press enter account. We're now in the this is a test account, whereby there is no card on here because we are in a this is a test shared account. So if you or your friends want to have the same account, you can do so here and order multiple cards. So let's go ahead and get a test one. And we're going to make this a gold card. Okay, so we've got no money. So what we need to do, we've got 4,000 on us, so we could deposit straight away from this amount. Okay, now that we're in our account section for our shared account, we want to put a little bit of money in. So first of all, it needs a cash deposit to get some money in so we can order a card. We've already got 4,000 cash on us, so let's go ahead and deposit. Let's deposit 4,000. There we go. 4,000 been removed from our wallet and put into the shared account. We can now go ahead and order a card, put our PIN in, choose the card type, and confirm. We now have a separate card. So if we come out, go and open our inventory here, we will see we've got this bank card and this bank card here. So the way to differentiate the two is just look at the last 4 digits and also the card holder name. So opening the bank again, we can now move into savings. Everyone can create a savings account by simply clicking the button. With the savings account, you can transfer to the main account. Obviously we don't have any money in here right now, so can't do that. So if we go to dashboard to get to our main account, we may want to go ahead and transfer it into our savings. I'm going to put 50,000 into our savings. That will transfer from our main account straight into our savings, where we will earn interest at a 2% rate down here. You can also deposit, withdraw, and transfer, and also see more transactions should you wish to, which automatically changes over to your savings. Next is loans. Of course, better your credit score, the better rates you're going to get on these loans. So what we can do here is get a premium loan, gives you £10,000, £244 daily repayment at 10% interest rate for 45 days. Go ahead and request a loan. Gives us that summary. It says we need 400 credit score needed for £11,000. There we go. We can come down here now and we can cancel the loan or pay the loan for the full amount. Paying it early will increase your credit score. Just go ahead and do that. There we go. There you go. Now that we've refreshed the UI, you can see our credit score has gone up 75 points as promised. The only other thing is going into your dashboard. You can print your latest transactions. If you print the latest transactions, you will be given a receipt. We exit out and go into our inventory. You can now use this by right-clicking, pressing use, which will bring up a nice little paper receipt should you need to make a proof of purchase or anything like that, or a proof of transfer. Okay, that's the banking system, nice and simple. Okay, just a quick update on how to use the ATMs as well. Any ATM you see throughout the world, you can use your third eye system on it with the left alt. Left click, open ATM, get a list of all the accounts and bank cards that you have on you at the moment. So we're going to go ahead and use our personal one. I'll ask us for a PIN. If we get the PIN wrong, you're going to get 3 total attempts. If you exceed all the attempts, the card will be void and you have to go and order a new one from the bank, which obviously you have to pay for. So put the correct PIN in and confirm. Brings us to pretty much the same screen, just you can't really manage your card or anything in here. So it's nice and simple. Press and escape. Brings you out the menu where you get your card back as well. That's nice and simple. So any ATM model on the wall or in convenience stores, anything like that, you can use. Nice and easy.